Current Affairs 2020. Which state assembly becomes the first in India to pass a resolution demanding to scrap of the Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA? A. Kerala. B. Punjab. C. Assam. D. West Bengal. Answer. A. Kerala. When is World Housing Day celebrated every year? A. On the first Monday of October. B. On the first Tuesday of October. C. On the first Wednesday of October. D. On the first Saturday of October. Answer. A. On the first Monday of October. Recently, which three scientists got the Nobel Prize in the year 2020 in the field of physics? A. Roger Penrose, Reinhard Kangel and Andrea Gage. B. Roger Penrose, Michael Jones and Andrea Gage. C. Repo Brush, Michael Jones and Andrea Gage. D. Roger Penrose, Michael Jones, and Chris Moody. Answer. Roger Penrose, Reinhard Kangel, and Andrea Gage. Which city hosted the Indian Science Congress in 2020? A. Chennai. B. Kolkata. C. Bengaluru. D. Mumbai. Answer. C. Bengaluru. Which player received the Polly Umrigar Award for the Best International Cricketer, 2018-19? A. Virat Kohli. B. Jasprit Bumrah. C. Rohit Sharma. D. Mohammed Shami. Answer. B. Jasprit Bumrah. Which port is renamed as Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port? A. Kolkata Port. B. Chennai Port. C. Pradeep Port. D. Visakhapatnam Port. Answer. A. Kolkata Port. Which one becomes first country in Arab world to produce nuclear energy? A. UAE. B. Saudi Arabia. C. Qatar. D. Iran. Answer. A. UAE. First state in India with 3 capital cities is: A. Bihar. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Uttarakhand. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer. D. Andhra Pradesh. World Sanskrit Day is celebrated on: A. 1st August. B. 3rd August. C. 8th August. D. 12th August. Answer B. 3rd August. In 2020, which continent is declared as polio-free by World Health Organization? A. Africa. B. Australia. C. Asia. D. South America. Answer A. Africa. Which one from the below is elected for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in badminton in 2020? A. Manu Dakkar. B. Somyajit Ghosh. C. Manukah Batra. D. Sharat Kamal. Answer C. Manukah Batra. Which team wins the Champions League title 2020? A. PSG. B. Barcelona. C. Manchester United. D. Bayern Munich. Answer D. Bayern Munich. The Skill Development Scheme Mission Karmyogi is for A. Army personnel. B. Civil servants. C. Railway employees. D. Women empowerment. Answer B. Civil servants. Who is conferred with the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2019? A. David Attenborough. B. Jane Goodall. C. Greta Thunberg. D. David Jason. Answer A. David Attenborough. RAT test in COVID stands for A. Rapid Advanced Test. B. Rapid Antigen Test. C. Rapid Agro Test. D. Repo Advanced Test. Answer B. Rapid Antigen Test. Which player is nominated by BCCI for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Awards for 2020? A. Rohit Sharma. B. Virat Kohli. C. KL Rahul. D. Shikhar Dhawan. Answer A. Rohit Sharma. Which country's parliament approved new map for the country with claim over the Repo Lake Pass, Karlapani and Limpiadhara that India claims as its own? A. China. B. Pakistan. C. Nepal. D. Bangladesh. Answer C. Nepal. who is appointed as India's permanent representative to United Nations? A. Rahul Shrivastava. B. Indra Pandey. C. Abhay Kumar. D. Pradeep Singh Rajpurohit. Answer. B. Indra Pandey. Which country's president makes constitutional changes to make himself in power till 2036? A. Iran. B. Iraq. C. Russia. D. North Korea. Answer. C. Russia. Prime Minister inaugurates Asia's largest solar power plant in A. Bihar. B. Karnataka. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Maharashtra. Answer. C. Madhya Pradesh. Which team wins the title La Liga title in the year 2020? A. Real Madrid. B. FC Barcelona. C. Atletico Madrid. D. Real Betis. Answer. A. Real Madrid. Who becomes the first Indian to receive the Richard Dawkins Award? A. Gulzar. B. Anupam Kher. C. Shabana Azmi. D. Javed Akhtar. Answer. D. Javed Akhtar. Which country will host the 2022 Women's Asian Cup? A. India. B. Japan. C. Philippines. D. South Korea. Answer. A. India. Recently, which two scientists have received the Nobel Prize in the year 2020 in the field of chemistry? A. Emmanuel Charpentier and Mark Fallod. B. Emmanuel Charpentier and Jennifer A. Doudna. C. Mark Fallod and Jasmine Charles. C. Mark Fallod and Emmanuel Charpentier. Answer. B. Emmanuel Charpentier and Jennifer A. Doudna. Where is the All India Institute of Ayurveda, AIIA, located? A. Mumbai. B. Varanasi. C. New Delhi. D. Ahmedabad. Answer. C. New Delhi. Copert is a military exercise between India and which country? A. Japan. B. Sri Lanka. C. Bangladesh. D. France. Answer. C. Bangladesh. World Day for Farmed Animals is celebrated on the birth anniversary of which leader? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Martin Luther King. C. Abraham Lincoln. D. Dalai Lama. Answer. A. Mahatma Gandhi. Recently, who has got the Nobel Prize for the year 2020 in the field of literature? A. Weston Pope. B. Peter Haynes. C. Lily Alex. D. Louise Glick. Answer. D. Louise Glick. On the 3rd of October 2020, NASA successfully launched the spaceship named after which Indian woman astronaut? A. Sunita Williams. B. Helen Sherman. C. Kalpana Chawla. D. Anusheh Ansari. Answer. C. Kalpana Chawla.